Hi kids, welcome to our reading practice for the high-frequency word, and. Let's get started. The word, and, is a common word in English. We use it to connect words or ideas in a sentence. It helps us add more information, like joining two things or actions together. Read the word and 3 times. The word and has 3 sounds, an, n, and, d. Blend the sounds together into one word, and. Let's review. What sounds do these letters spell? A, M, S, T, P, F. Let's read together. And. Tap and pat. I tap and pat. Sam and I sat at the mat. Sam and I sat at the mat. Tom and I. The fat map. Tom and I pat the fat map. Thank you for joining in today. Congratulations on completing the lesson. Visit us for more lessons like this on Etsy at etsy.lessonlanestudio.com. See you soon.